Okay. Hi Vadu, this is Kate. I just want to let you know that I took your recipe and I'm going to try making this turmeric throat medicine that you told me about. I told you I'd try it and I wanted to make a video to prove that I did it. So the first thing that you said was take a half a teaspoon or 1 cup of milk. I'm going to take 1 cup of milk, right? And then I'm going to put a half a teaspoon of turmeric. So organic turmeric, as you can see. Put my turmeric in. All right, and then I think you said that it was also half a teaspoon of pepper. So I got half a teaspoon of pepper. Okay, putting my pepper in. And then in addition to that, I want one teaspoon of honey. So I'm going to put my honey in. I got, oh, this is new honey. I didn't know I had new honey. This is great. Oops, I have to pull this off. All right, challenge. All right, opening up the honey now. Okay, so didn't know I had new honey. Okay, so pouring my honey, 1 teaspoon of honey. If I can get it out. Ah! All right. Ooh. Okay, see if I can squeeze that out of there. Okay, so now the next thing you said to do was heat it, right? So this is an interesting color already. Let's see if I can heat this thing. So I didn't know if I was supposed to heat it in the microwave or the stove or if it made a difference. But as you can see, I've got the turmeric stuff here, so let's see what we can do. I'm going to put this in my microwave. Let's put it in my microwave. I want to heat it for like 30 seconds, maybe? Try for 30 seconds. And hopefully this will help. Right now it's Monday and I've been sick since last Wednesday. It's big, so this is a big deal that I can help my throat and make this work for me. So, anything that has turmeric in it, I'm convinced has to make me feel better, based on everything I've read and all of the people that I know from India that swear by it. So, let's see what we get. Is it cool? Is it warm enough yet? Don't think so. Okay, it needs to boil a little bit. Let's get it boiling. 30 more seconds. Okay. I'm gonna get a spoon. And because I am really compulsive about cleaning my kitchen, I have to clean it before I do anything else. All right. Okay. All right. 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Okay. I don't know. It's not quite frothed yet. Let's see if I can give it another 15 seconds. Maybe I can come up with the exact time you need to microwave it. How about that? We'll add to this recipe. Essentially, I was in bed all weekend. I didn't get out of the house. I didn't go anywhere. I just stayed in bed all weekend. So this has not been a good week for me. I'm hoping that this miracle cure will not make a mess, first of all. I'm compulsive about cleaning. I'm sure turmeric's probably an excellent cleanser too, right? Okay. That's my dog squeaking, if you're wondering what that is. Okay, so it's frothy and it's warm. And you say I'm supposed to sip this. So that's what I'm going to do, is sip it. It smells a lot like every Indian dish that I've ever eaten, just so you know. Okay, so I'm just supposed to sip it. Oh, 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 that's a lot of pepper, Vadu. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I've tried the turmeric recipe. I'm gonna send this video to you, and I want you to know I will finish my turmeric drink. Thanks a lot, I appreciate it, bye.